You recording?
What happened is time kind of forgot us and people stopped innovating a while ago. There's a lot of time to make up and there's a lot of work to be done.
All the problems that we're trying to solve come from the problems that craftsmen are presenting to us. They're not making stuff fast enough, they're not making stuff precise enough. And the longer we've been in this, the more we get surprised by how much innovation is left to be done.
It takes a lot of work to make something new and valuable. A lot of late nights, a lot of failed ideas, a lot of putting your ego to the side and admit you were wrong.
It's about listening to people who are the ones out there actually making products, and what's the biggest hurdle in their way right now, solving that problem, getting the hurdle out of the way so that you're aware of what that next hurdle is, the next smaller problem, and keep whittling those down.
If you're honest to yourself and you're honest to your customers, when you think you've made something good, but it's not, you can't sell it to them. Even though it's hard, what you have to do, you backtrack, you sit on it, you think about it, and eventually one day you'll have the right idea. And then you will actually be able to finish that product and sell it. And we've done that time and time again.
Just like our customers have to stand behind the products that they're making, we know we have to stand behind what we're delivering to the makers. So that's why we have at least a 2-year warranty on everything, if not a lifetime warranty on the things that we think should never fail. But honestly, we don't have to do much of that.
A lot of the stuff we design, we sit on it because it doesn't feel right. And then when we finally have that aha breakthrough moment, then that's when we'll go back, look at it, make the prototypes, more late nights, and then is when you have something truly special. And I think that's what makes Ameribrade different. That's what sets them out. We never release something if it doesn't feel right.